Hi, I'm Zoe. I work in customer service and procurement for FMI. So FMI is mainly a fabricator, manufacturer supplier. So we supply aluminium joinery, glass, frameless balustrades, window components, basically a bit of everything for your buildings. So my current role is customer service and procurement. So I deal with customers on a daily basis for one of our divisions of frameless glass and balustrades. So from doing their daily orders, supply, questions and queries, as well as I also do procurement for that division of ordering from overseas our hardware and any of our other materials we require to service our customers. I worked for FMI for about 2 years now. Previously, I had a glass and hardware background from another company, and from there I've just grown more from a factory role into a customer service admin role and just grown from there. So we offer entry-level jobs to young people by anything from customer service out to our factories for floor roles. And we do offer occasionally internships within some of our other divisions. So we offer to any young people or any new staff members always training, side-by-side support, courses to go on to for anything they require for forklifts or machineries to be operating. So you don't have to have a degree to join FMI. All we want is an attitude and a willing personality to learn the role, and we're always going to offer the support as long as you give that attitude back. Probably joining FMI, but being able to go see our customers face to face and experience some of their sites while installing our products, rather than just hearing about them behind a phone or an email. So, yeah. I would say probably good attitude, workmanship, and probably for customer service, being able to deal with a bit of everything every day, because not every day is smooth. So just being patient, but knowing that you'll get through it. I would definitely say you do not have to have a degree for a job, depending on where you go. Having a positive attitude and just going with wherever it leads you.